This motorhome is the Alaska TD Plus, and for those of you who understand German, you'll note that it will soon be available on the market. For something like this, we're looking at a price in the order of 77,000 euros. This is 747 centimeters long, 237 wide, 296 in height at its widest point, and it comes with a bed in the roof, as you can see, in the ceiling I should say, a largish semi-dinette with a table that will double in size. Here we have a kitchen which comes with a very shiny, so far, sink with domestic drainage, 3 burners, storage above it and storage below it, and over here we find a 3-way fridge, so I'm getting confused. That's a freezer, and more storage here. And somebody's turned the water heater on, so I'll turn that off as I'm leaving. And here we have a very unusual, or a vehicle this size, a rain shower. But any vehicle you could put a shower on the head on like that, and it would work. And the shower tray itself is also quite large. It's got the protection over it at present. And this bed at the back, which you might think, hey, that's very low. Well, it is. It's very low at present. You've got steps up to it, but it's really low. But it'll go up. It can be wound up. There's a thing to wind it up with, and it'll go up to here. So you'll gain a huge amount of extra, 30 centimeters plus in the garage. So that could be very useful. And so I quite like that as a solution. Through here, we've got the wardrobe, and down here you could see into the garage if the bed were up, but as the bed's down, there's no view of the garage through here. So the design itself has been done by Ahorn in the past. It's not actually a new design, but I think it's a curious one. So I wanted to do that in under 3 minutes. I've done it in under 3 minutes. There's a longer video to which there will be a link below, but for the moment, thanks for watching.